Hey, my fellow Americans, and more importantly, I Lassoed Lance players. Welcome to 2012. We have a big year in store for you guys. You can win an iPad 3, goes to the winner, but you have to play every week. So please sign up and get your picks in each week. We have a special guest flown in directly from the Republican convention, the Chair. Thank you, Chair, for showing up. Here we go. Let's get straight to the picks. The Chair will be making the picks for us. I did so poorly last year that I've invited a guest in. So here we go. High school. You got Amarillo High Tascosa, the best rivalry we have in the city the last few years, plays in week 2. Are you kidding me? Well, they're not in district anymore, so we have to deal with that. Go with it. And Chair, what do you think? All right. Now we move to Canadian at Stratford. How about that? Canadian Stratford week 2? They're a non-district too. Two of our legendary small school teams. I'm thinking it's at Stratford. I'm leaning that way, but Chair, what do you think? Okay, the Chair is on its game. You see that? All right, here we go. Wellington at Panhandle, another great small school game. If you want to see two of the best passers in the Panhandle, you show up at this game. And I have my own opinion on this game. Chair, wow, the Chair is doing great tonight. I can already tell it. And finally, Randall at Hereford. The Herd, the big cows over there in Hereford. Randall, big win. Hereford, tough loss. Who's going to win that game? Chair. All right, here we are. It's the college games real quick. Here we go. Western State. I grew up in Colorado. We called it Wasted State at the time because it's near Crested Butte where they ski like crazy. West Texas is mad from losing last week. I think I know what's going to happen in this. What does the Chair think? Okay, Chair, that was a decent pick, Chair. Let's go to Florida with Texas A&M. Everybody's waiting for this game. SEC opener for Texas A&M. Chair, what are you thinking? All righty, here we go. Georgia at Missouri. Come on, come on. Another SEC game. Used to be a Big 12 opponents. Chair. All right, and finally, Oklahoma State at Arizona. Oklahoma State put, what, 89 or whatever on Savannah State. Are you kidding me why they've been playing that game? Chair, what do you think is going to happen this week? Finally, to the pros. Are you kidding me? Peyton Manning opening up against the Pittsburgh Steelers in Invesco Field at Denver. I have my own opinion on that. Chair, what do you think? All right, here we go. Let's move on to San Francisco at Green Bay, another classic at Lambeau Field. The great defense of the 49ers against the greatest passer in the game right now. All right, Chair, I'll go with that one. And finally, we have Buffalo at the Jets. Nobody's respecting Tebow. Nobody's respecting the Jets. They had a turmoil of a preseason. What does the Chair think? Okay, and finally, our last pick, and keep playing, remember that, we will go with Washington at New Orleans. Hey, you got to root for New Orleans with all they've been through, but what does the Chair think? And there you have it, the first round of 2012 I Lassoed Lance. The Chair.